Are we live yet? Yes, we are, and on time. Hello, everyone. Hey, Dutch. Hey, Johnny. Hey, Jordy. TTS is online. At least I can hear it. I don't know. You might need like to refresh the chat. Hello, Yumbo. Yeah, Johnny won all the mini golf games yesterday. We have a new strategy for the one where we try to get -10 handicap. Just helping each other. Like we need like a team of people who collect the power-ups and help one person to achieve the -10. Oh yeah, I feel tired today. Hello, Adrian. All right, peeps. Little surprise for today. We will be watching demos today, very exclusively. Oh, here I come. Look at that, what we have here. Tiny tape out. Woo woo. Here we go. I didn't open it, so we unboxed it. There should be a VGA extension because that's the Tiny Tape Out demo scene competition. I brought a VGA monitor, a TFT one for the camera because the CRT is quite flickery, but I also have an old school CRT to be testing optionally a different type of screen if the demos are working there as well. And we can check out all the competition entries and also maybe other stuff if we're doing right away. Here we go. So these are the screens. Oh, hey Alexander. Hey Sonic. Hey Mr. Triad. Hey Christian. Yeah, I didn't participate in that. I'm only judge on this demo scene competition. Let's check out the web page. We might get spoiled there, so maybe we just unbox it, and there are quite some entries. Now we will be spoiled a little bit at least. So here is the, you can see the TT8 entries, and there we need the numbers here. So there should be a few few intros slash demos to test. They are all intros for, in my opinion, because there is not much space on Tiny Tape Out, and I'm looking forward testing them. Some of those might not work right away. They have been like workarounds for like hardware issues. Not sure about that yet. Didn't test it. But Charles and Sprite TM, so Charles Lore and Sprite TM already tested the intros, and there might have been issues. Workarounds. Oh yeah, needs firmware. We don't have. Okay, so one competition needs some extra stuff, like one entry that's 772. Then we have 844. After selecting design, paste this into REPL TT clock, blah 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 blah. Okay, so we need to change the clock. Mixed signal design has a demo mode, set input switches to then reset. Okay. Oh, so you watched them already? Like the did you do you have like the actual hardware? No, a bit ago you probably watched them the emulations or the videos, the captures. Hey Tech, we will watch the entries of the Tiny Tape Out demo scene competition. That's the first time, so we will have probably genuine reactions here. Wait, but we can't see my face though, so I might need to move a screen over here. Um, Let me open the boxes first, and then let's see if we can. What I never used like the official Tiny Tape Out carrier board yet, so I have no clue what to do there whatsoever. We'll see. Okay, let's. Ah, look at that! That's nice. It's packed in paper and it's that's nice confetti, and there is a thank you note. Is there anything on the thank you note? Oh yeah, there's a data sheet and QR code, so we might actually need that. Here's some confetti. That's the official dev kit. Here we go. Let's open it. It's fully packed here. Here we go. The TT board. I didn't turn on. Let me get some more lights for you. I just didn't turn them on yet, so it wouldn't be too bright for watching that. Okay, that's the input. 0 to 7, the selection of the project there. Okay, and some stickers as well. So we have Tiny Tape Out stickers. I got more, probably some P-mods. Let's see what kind of P-mod that is. Nice. Tiny Tape Out audio P-mod. Okay. So we have audio P-mod with a speaker and an output jack. Okay, stickers everywhere. Then let's see that one. That's VGA P-mods. What? Super sticker! Foo! Hello! Welcome and thanks for the sticker. Okay, so VGA P-mod. We need to check in which one it is. Output. Okay, we'll check it out in a second. And we have yet another thing. What is this? Postcards. What? Wait a second. More stickers. The paper is nice. Look at that. 25 edition. Oh, okay. Look at a nice postcards. That's nice. Some nerdy Christmas messages here. what is this here? D flip-flop. Oh, is this from the actual design? That might be on the actual design. On the chip. And this is the full chip. Oh, what is this? Is this like a dust particle? Is this an actual X-ray? Look at that. That seems to be the X-ray from the ASIC. Nice. Okay, so we have some nerdy postcards. Yeah. Have a nice matte finish like that, certainly. All right. So a ton of stickers here. And then we need to hook up everything. I might need to move that screen over and we can test it over there. Alright. Right, my desk is full of trash. Wait, I will move away a few things. We have no fondue today. Oh, there's some extra power. We don't need to reflow anything. Holy crap. That's the dev board, WCH1. Okay, here we go. Let's get this screen. Oh, let's start with the TFT. Move it a little bit down, like that. Whoop whoop. Power should be on. Yes, it is. Now, let's get tiny tape out here. It's a big knife. Okay, what? Plasma cutter? What? What did I miss? All right. Each design has tags: small, large, newcomer, mixed sounds, sequencing loop. What? This means that Thomas added a sequencing loop to the design to show what it's capable of because it didn't include one. So one, it's optionated and 100% doesn't represent what the auto did. Okay. All right, so some sort of extra hardware might need extra hardware. So there are some connect the VGA P-mode to output port. Connect the audio P-mode to the BIDIR port. Oh yeah, I remember that. Tiny tape out has bidirectional port. This must be that. Output port is VGA. So that makes also out of focus already. Wait. Alright. I need to focus here somewhat. Yeah, because of the L shape here. We can still zoom in, can we? Or we can get it closer. Like that. And we need some power. Oh wait, we need some USB first. We get a longer cable for USB. I also need an audio cable for the sound card. Woo! First time plugged in. Oh yeah, that's the first sketch, which is just a counter. That's cool. Sketch, how do you call it? Design, the first design. Which is a counter, it's not the demo. There are plenty of designs on that I see. And I need audio. Okay, so here should be, we get a cable. Is this long enough? Probably not, but this should be long enough. Okay. Here is delivery man crashed. All right, we are here, my friends. Okay, tiny tape out demo scene competition is coming up next. Use commander to enable the design. Okay, we can use the commander to wait. We should open that link in here. Never used that before. Connect to board. Let's see. Oh, okay. Can we show the design at the same time? Yes, here. You can see some, hear some clicking noise. All right. And don't need that. Is it clicking whenever it finishes a complete turn? Yeah, might be. Okay. Select config, factory test index. Oh, VGA and audio demo. I like zoom in for you. So let's start with not AU. Let's start with non-related. There's a puzzle game. Okay. 8-bit calculator. Crispy VGA. Wait, where did we see? Let's test crispy VGA. Clock speed needs to be, I don't know, clock speed 10 Hertz. preset. Let me check what doesn't say anything here. Let me select that. I just test something, but there was where was the square? VGA. Club line this. Okay, video audio demo. Select. Okay, peeps. This is the first actual test that I'm running. Is it a demo already? I can't hear audio though. I don't know if it's my fault. Let me check the P mods. There is a volume. I hope. Oh yeah, that's phono is selected. Let me check if the volume is down, but I think DJ audio video demo. I can't hear audio. Let me check if there is, volume is all right. So this is 778. I think. Oh yeah, okay, square one. Oh, that's actually an entry already. Okay, but let's start from the first. Sound and small is the tag. 139. What? Oh, wait, I need to change the exposure. That's actually this is running Doom. Okay, let me get you closer so you can see more detail. Yeah, this is like second reality, but with Doom. Not sure about the colors though. It looks better in real life, so let me try to set the camera settings such that I can't put lower ISO, I can only, yeah, that looks better. But we can hear audio and see video, and this is tiny tape out. Put it somewhere here that you can see. I want to show it, give it some. Okay. Okay, that one works. I like it. Let's check out. Can clip that. Where is it? Here. 25 megahertz. Size limit. You need to. We can check out in the competition rules. TTA demo. Find out more about the competition. What are the rules? One free tile for the design. I don't know if it's allowed to have more than one tile. Lower the volume. Okay, here. It looks like that, one tile. One tile. I don't know what the size is. What the you can check out Tiny Tape Out on GitHub, so you will see the actual code. I mean, that's open source. Can we see that? Okay, anyways, let's try the next one. Okay, shall we? Oh, I'm looking forward to that one. That's 227. Oh, nice. This is crazy. This one is crazy. Okay, oh yeah, the design is also linked there. Look at that. Here we have the design. Let's check out that one. GitHub repository. It's using some sort of, it looks like it's text, actually. Furmark. What is Furmark? Resolution, but still blob. How to test 48. Okay, we have 2 bits per color component. What? Oh, that's 4 tiles. Is it? Is this that one? Yeah, let's open it. Furmark. Okay. This is the furry benchmark. Let's see this test. VGA donut hit step. Step to VEC. All right, so there's actual 3D going on here. Donut hit is probably the. Oh, is this ray marching or ray tracing? Because I mean, clock in all inputs. I'm impressed. I need to 3 real multipliers fix off by 1 better palette. Okay. Dithering. Add more polygons, and this donut looks much better. Okay, it's quite interesting. Hey Kasper. So I'm impressed by that one because it has a lot of going on. Oh, Johnny! Oh, really? It was just a lot of like fill rate. Okay, Chordic step. Chordic was oh yeah, vector length. That was like the square root approximation. That's interesting. I think I tested Chordic for implementation on this GPU thing, like the ray marching, because of course there is not even a multiply on the MCUs that I used. So this is actually no, it's we're watching. I'm a judge on the Tiny Tape Out demo scene competition, and I'm checking out all the entries with you. I'm not judging them yet. I have to check everything and see what was actually done there. And yeah, we saw already the Doom entry. Now this one, which is also amazing. We have either it's ray marching or ray casting. I have to check out the documentation for that. Is there any docs? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I know that it's not polygons because you can just okay. Traced ray marched. Yeah, so the actual ray marching. Very interesting because how many steps can you do? It looks like it's not rendering like the full resolution. It's just like the dithering is looking like it's full resolution, but it's let's take a look. Oh, it's too dark. Let's give it more. Wait. Here. And a little too bright. It's weird. Yeah. Okay, we have doing 16 ray marching steps per pixel with 5 codec iterations unrolled into one clock cycle. Wow, that's crazy. So yeah, there's more info. That's quite cool. It's a nice tech demo, I would say. It's an actual graphics card implemented in 4 tiles. So 4 tiles is a little cheat, but there is no way of yeah. Yeah, I will just go with my feeling, like entertainment factor. Then also the tech. I love tech demos because I was always doing tech demos and they were not appreciated. So I'm an ambassador for tech demos. More stars. Oh yeah, Johnny has more star needs more stars. Wait, how is that happening? How did you, Johnny? How did you get more stars? Are you cheating somehow? All right. Let's continue with our. Here's the thing. That was donut entry number 8. Here. VGA donut. Okay, next entry is okay. Large was because we have like large because it was 4 tiles. Then we had newcomer, so someone who posted their first I believe, posted their first tiny tape out design. Small was probably one tile, so packing the actual image of Doom in one tile is a lot of ROM, I guess. Okay, let's try 267. 67! 67! Should I record everything? Okay, let's 267. Oh, okay, we have, let me check the notes. I guess there is a 267 mix signal has a demo mode. Set input switches to, okay. I need to change input switches. Interact input switches to, is this the, no wait, I hope this is the right, and then the reset. How do I reset it? Reset here. Oh, here we go. Okay, so that info worked. That's actually nice. I'm wondering, on the side of the screen you can see like that's an incrementing, that's the line number. You can see that here. So there is a line number displayed and you have overlaid, is it AND or XOR? It's looking nice, nice demo. So it's interactive. I'm wondering what happens if you okay. So we can actually try like changing the inputs and something, but this seems to be the demo. All right. Like it. Quite simple. And getting anything out is already an achievement. So I already can tell anyone who participated that you can be proud. All right, next one. Where's my list? Everything is all over the place. Here's my list. Wait, that's wrong. That's I have the wrong selection, I believe. Is it? That looks different. Wait. 0, 1, 0. Oh, wait. This way around. Here we go. Uh-oh. Broken. Let me reset. No. Then reset mix signal. Okay, I have the instruction to set the bits like that. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Wait, it's only for... No, that's... Huh? Oh, wrong. I'm stupid, sorry. Here. This is the demo. Is it? 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Yeah. Doesn't look different. Either I'm too stupid to select it, but it looks a little different than the screenshot. Let me check out. If I got it right. Let's watch. Skip. External hardware. No, it's different. Good, it's incrementing. Okay. He writes about external hardware. Okay. Anyways, yeah. That's that. Oh, it's mixed signal here. Wait. And sequence. I need to read up more information about what's mixed here. If even mixed, wait, mixed signal design has a demo mode, set input switches, then reset. Okay. I have no further information. I need to read that. All right. Next one. Spoiler alert. Maybe I shouldn't spoil you. I will take it here, so you will get the surprise. Next one is coming. Let me change that. Config and 3, 2, 2. Here we go, peeps. Uh-oh. And why is my stupid hocus focus? I might need to reset it though. Power cycle. It's metaballs, but oh yeah. This one metaball is moving too fast. I guess something's wrong. Let me check. No input, output. Okay, that's. Here we go. Oh no, it's so fast. I got something wrong here. Johannes Hoff, wondering what's going on here. Maybe I got something wrong. That's 322. Let me check. No, I have no notes on that. 322. You don't that X Dutch. You need to change your language setting. That's very fast design. Oh, KTR. I did it years ago. Like Tiny Tapeout 2 are several designs. I made videos on those, but this is not mine. I'm just judging the demo scene competition. Okay. I love metaballs. I need to check out what I did. No, it might be that it's somehow changed. Like I lost the database and it automatically picked a new language for you, Dutch. Okay. Let's move on with the next design. I hope we can see what, like a few frames we can see, like here. Here you go, metaballs. Yeah, Rohan, that's TT8. It's been shipped now, so anyone who ordered one can enjoy it. Okay, next entry is 3, 2, 4, and I won't spoil you. Let's watch it. Here's the meta ball. You saw the meta ball, and Whoa! What? We have sequenced music? What? Oh, the colors! Okay, we have some nice colored dithering. Plasma pips. And music, hey, that's cool. That's actually amazing. I love that one. Clock is running at 25 megahertz. That's cool. Oh yeah, we watched the Conic Donut already. Rohan, the Ray marching one. I'm stunned, like 4 tiles to get actual Ray marching with square root reciprocal approximations. Then we get like, okay, yeah, that's the best I can record of that. Maybe we will try like the analog screen later. All right, that's a good one. Nice design. Konrad Beckmann and Linus Martinsson. Okay, 3, 2, 6. Here we go. Space Cowboy. All right, is it? It's an image of a flying plane. Is there like any inputs? Let me check if I didn't miss anything. Is it a game? 3 to 6. Or is it just I mean getting the syncs right and everything with text and blinking cursor. All right. Niklaus Thompson. Nice intro. Nice colors. Oh no. The next one, they are trying to troll me. Here. Uh-oh. Oh wait. That's probably no, there is no special input. Let me reset it. Maybe. Audio project Super Mario tune. Don't spoil everything. We'll check it out. Okay, let's power cycle and try, what was it? 3, 3, 3, 3, oh. Oops. Oops. Select, here we go. Does anything happen with manual inputs? No, I don't see. What's the output? Zach, I don't see. Is there this is VGA clock. Are there any presets? We will try it later with an analog screen. Maybe there is something. Okay, let's try 448. 448. Okay, here we go. Oh wait, why do I have and select? Okay, here we go. Oh yeah! Why is the color so dull? Let me change the angle of the camera. Okay, Nyan Cat. Check. Okay. Peter Noland. Here we go. Nice color palette. I don't know if you can see that on camera though. What kind of setting do I need to do here? Try input. Newcomer sounds small. No, doesn't look like it. Interact. Oh, no stars. Yeah, I see that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, nice one. Nyan Cat is mandatory. Peter, that's a good one. Okay, let's continue. Oh, peeps. Here you go. Let's get ready. What? Is this a sit? What? Oh, you can see this wave here. So it's setting each row, setting new wave. So we have like, what is it, 16 kilohertz, 16 kilohertz audio. That's cool. I'm impressed. The music is so amazing. And the shadow. I mean, the shadow isn't true, but it's some sort of shadow. No, there is no C64. It's running from this one here. We can test it live. I'm amazed. The audio is amazing. Then we have some ray casting, like plain texture for the pixels. There must be. Oh, we have star scroller. Nice. Okay. Then we have a sign table. There have to be a sign table. Let me check that out. That's actually a really cool intro. Let's check out the design. It's one tile. What? Oh wait, two tiles, sorry. Huh? Oh yeah, they're like this, they're split in the middle, you can see. Wait, let me zoom in. Yeah, okay, it's two tiles. Because this is mixed. I don't know, is this like mixed design here? No, I don't know. They have like a different color. Or is it just the designs that have been used? Okay, let's see. Withered, Bayer. Real CRT. Okay, we will try a real CRT. Orange Crab FPGA. 16-bit Sigma Delta DAC. Alright. Triangle noise, square wave. There is no sine wave here. 3-channel synth, okay. I want to see the sine wave. Let's check out the source. That's the best about it. Okay, there is a ROM audio track. Let's check out how long the audio track is. Hey Ulvor, we are testing the demo scene competition on Tiny Tapeout. This is a 2-tile design. I'm impressed. Okay, that's looks like it's all the audio, not only like just the track ROM or something. Song ROM. That's the song ROM. So is it? Oh yeah, hex, pulse, oct. So that's in hex. Dogs. What is this? Non-restoring division algorithm. Fixed point reciprocal. Here we go. What's in the ROM? Character mask. Okay, palette. Okay, let's check out the data. Snare, pulse, palette, not kick chunk. Okay, I don't see the sine wave. Anyways, nice intro. Let's go on. Let's not spoil everything. We have 582. Here we go. Countdown. That's also nice. Like that feels like 80s. High resolution though. Oh wait. That looks like it needs input. I need to interact. Do I need to no, that's UI in. With Moonbase audio track, this looks 7. Yeah. I like the dither and that it's high res. Design. Let me check if I can find more. This is a VGA demo that runs without input but also accepts 8-bit input to the pins to display virtual 7-segment display. VGA in select the circuit to test and there is external input. Graphical extension to dozens of existing products that utilize the 7-segment display to show results. Oh, interesting. So this is just to combine it with other stuff. I guess it's you can as it has an VGA. Yeah, we tested like if we interact, this is just like an interface where you can basically display 7-segment if you combine it with other intros or other designs for just display purposes. It was just submitted to the demo competition because I mean it has some movement and graphics output, so that's alright. Like the dither and high resolution, that's a plus on that one. Anyways, let's go on with the next one, which would be I'm doxing all the entries here. Oh wait, here we go. Next one. Oh, 587. Let me check if this is one of those who need extra. Okay, here we go. That's quite loud. Nice. We have a scroller, a palette, a sine wave, a sine, some random music, a deaf music score. It's a newcomer, sounds small. Let's check out the design. Sagar Death Achar is parallax scroller, nice. But then with parallax scrolling, the smaller ones in the back should move slower, or it's rotating. That's if the back ones, the back planes are scrolling, then we get a rotation. That's cool. We have half the brightness in the back. Maybe some fog. We got sound, graphics, animation, color cycling. Okay, next one. Ready. Okay. Hack, repeat, eat, sleep, hack, repeat, eat, sleep, hack, repeat, eat, sleep, hack, repeat. Like that one. We got percussions, synth. Look at it! There is also an output here. Oh, that's probably just the background color displayed as a number, because it makes the majority of the... Wait. Rave! There is rave! Sleep, rave, repeat, eat, rave, repeat. And rave is like, look at that. Rave has like a randomness into it. Eat, sleep, rave, eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Okay, nice one. I like that one. That's actually cool. Okay, let's go on. Here we go. Next one. Sequencer. Oh, so this is like the pattern. This is the wave output. It looks like the music pattern could scroll up here. But I like that there is a synth. We got a synth, we get some display. Newcomer sound small. So we have like, what was small? Let me check out. Yeah, one tile. It's pseudo-randomly generated, generates a soundtrack via PWM and displays a waveform via VGA. And that was submitted by Christian Fibich. Oh, wait a second. Next one, tips. What? Oh! This is odd here. We got some. But the music! It is. What? It's also a newcomer. Andy Solane. Salone. I don't know how it is. This is crazy. We have also Star Scroller here. I like that one. That doesn't look. I don't see that on the screenshot. Andy Solon art. Oh! What? The glasses move away! Nice. Okay. I didn't know Andy yet. Oh, they are coming! They are coming! Nice. I love the synth. The synth is smooth. Oh, the donut was also by Andy. Okay, I should keep that name in mind. It's amazing. You don't see that black bar. Yeah, it's strange. Let me reset it. Maybe there is some issue with the frequency. We will check it out on CRT in a second. I like that one. Okay, Andy, that's cool. Let me check the design, how big it is. It's also 2 tiles. Alright. 6, 4, 8 is the next one. Peeps, get ready. Oh, there's also like this issue with the bar. Whoa, okay. We have a tube scroller, synthesizer, Silfab. Oh, that's cool. It's also like parallax. Ah, we know that one from what's the name, like the 256 bytes intro. I like that port. That's cool. The pattern is also nice. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, nice. That's psychedelic. And the text. That. Let me check how many tiles this is. This is actually cool, and it has some like things going on. Like it's a complete sequence. 2 tiles. Yeah, I guess with some synth and actual pattern and stuff, you need a little bit more space. But like that, it's polished. Long text. Oh, it's written in stylize, my HDL. Okay. Tunnel effect. Okay. Huge pre-computed table having 1 entry per pixel. Oh, so I guess like you have basically for the tunnel it's like a LUT, a shallow chordic pipeline to compute an ATAN and length and few pre-computed reciprocals distance to interpolate between those from key point rings along the tunnel. All the effects are then okay. Multiple layers, various ways. So the LUT isn't that big. Dithering and stuff. I'm not yeah, I'm no musician, so making a soundtrack was a challenge for me. Alright, nice. Nice one. A lot of work. Silefab with stylize HDL. Should we can take a look later at that. Nice polished demo. Love it. Okay, next one. Here we go. Oh, that's cool. Like that effect. That looks like water, almost. Oh, Sierpinski. Oh, some text. Nice. I like that. Cool intro. Ooh. Fractals. More fractals. J. Reynolds, Simona, Enrique, Matthias Kamper. It's a cool intro. Wait. Oh, that's Sylvan. Okay, yeah, I know Sylvan then. Amazing. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that Sylvan has Silefab as a short. That was the intro before. This one is really cool. I like it. We have like changing things here. Cool. Nice one. With music, percussion, some synced up graphics. Cool. Okay, now it's repeating. Let's go on with the next one. Sea battle. Wait, is it clipped? It looks like it's shifted, so we will rewatch that one. Hey Ray. Hotline Miami vibes, yeah. I think we have a sync issue here, so we will test this one on the actual CRT later. 65, let me check if 654 has some nodes. No. There are no nodes on this one. Okay, let's continue with the next one. That's 704. Here we go. Whoa! What? We have sound as well. I like that one. It's so smooth. 60 frames per second. You can probably, yeah, you're not seeing 60 frames. You're only seeing 50 frames. Yeah, collision detection with a pill. So you have like two spheres. Also, there is like probably fixed point arithmetics, but we have at least like sine and cosine for the rotation. And we have a nice LUT for this texture. So I guess this whole thing is one lookup table. I like that, and you have some bouncy sounds. Can we get the corner? What happens if it hits the corner? HTFab. Okay, let's check out the design. It's 2 tiles as well. Hide background. Oh, there are inputs. Pause kinematics, reset kinematics, mute sound, kill sound, hide background, hide text, lock colors, no reorientation. Oh, okay. If we input, we interact UI. Oops. Huh? I said 7. I don't know what that means. Lock colors, hide text. Hide text. Okay, hide text works. Background. There's some options. Oh, okay. So movement. That's cool. I love that. Looks interesting. GitHub repo. Let me check source. What we got there. Config delta sigma. Orchestrator resonator sine table. Yeah, transform and okay. So we have a sine table with how many entries? 32 entries. So that's how it's calculated then. It's for a fixed point. Yeah, it's 8-bit sine table here. So 7 bits and sine. All right, next one. That was the bouncy capsule. Oh, okay, pips. We are. Let me turn that off, and here we go. Another donut. There is transparency, but you can barely see it on this screen. Let me change the setting. Maybe we can. Brightness, contrast. It looks like, or is it? No, it's. It looks better than the screenshot, I believe. Not sure. Is there something more going on? Okay, so this is Ray marching, newcomer, 50 megahertz. Okay, let me check out the design. What we got here. It's 2 tiles. Each ellipse is handcrafted to create a donut. Okay. I like the description. GitHub repo, let me check that out. Source. Level of the project square. NK pad lot post shift. Hey Dan! We are watching Tiny Tape Out intros or demo competition here. So I'm reviewing the entries, and we had some crazy ones. Like such amazing demos with synthesizers on few tiles only. Okay, here we go. Next design. Let me stop the recording and continue here. Oh! It scrolled away. Here, Tiny Tape Out logo. Nice. Color cycling. Oh, okay. Okay, now it bounces. Now it bounces. We need to wait until it hits the corner. Yuri. That's entry from Yuri. That's cool. Okay. Very simple design. We can watch for ages. Maybe no, we can cycle it faster to make it bounce a corner. The start was interesting. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, wow, nice warp and color palettes as well. Hey Dutch. It looks like it could be a sign. You know, always interested. The implementation details. Is there a description for it? Oh, there is UI in wave enables use of horizontal waves. Oh, we have like some inputs. We can play around with the interaction. So let's try it. Whoa! Okay, I like that. Ah! Ooh, whoop. Okay. Oh, that's cool. That looks like a flag. Fun with flags today. Bitluni's fun with flags. Jiggy. Here we go. What is? Oh, that's cool. That should be the default one. This is cool. That should be default. I like this settings here. That's cool. Certainly an upgrade. Needs barf. Okay, that was... Now we get 768. Let's turn off input again. 768. I think that might be one. OPL. OPL synthesis. Canon in D. Is this Bach? And demonetized now. This is public domain. This is public domain. Oh, sound is gone. No. Yeah. Oh, it restarts now. There's a lot of going on here. A bouncing square. Oh, nice. You got also a sine wave here. Oh, that's psychedelic. That was weird to my eyes. It's actually cool. Now we have more contrast. I don't know if you can see that. That's actually cool. The only weird thing was that the music stopped for RGB, yeah. back in the 80s and 90s. A Z80 clone. Whole chip fabric. I don't think you need even like the whole chip. Music. I don't know when it's repeating. Now we have like a pastel palette. I don't know when it's starting from the beginning. It's cycling just. Okay, we know the box. Okay, we know the box. Now Tiny tape out is coming back. Okay, that repeats now. I remember that part. Let's go on. Next one is, I think, one that needs adjustments. No, 772 needs adjustments. Okay. 7. Whoa! I can't read that. Wait. We need to flip the screen. Oh, that's a terrain scroller. Here we go. Synced to music. What? Sequential shadows. Sequential? I think that's an L. That's cool. The synth is amazing. Is there more info? Project docs. Let me check out. Music by Curly. Toivo Henningsson. The Swedish guys are always good at demo competitions. Yeah, code, graphics, everything. Demo can be seen at, okay. How it works. Raycaster for the terrain, probably synthesizer, music sequencer, logo, timing generator, dithering, top level sequencer, audio visualizer, yeah. Oh, here we go, that's the audio visualizer. How to test. Okay, let me turn off the screen again because I can't turn this one around, but I'm wondering if there is like a setting that I can change. We can turn off bass, drums, pause, audio. We can just change the audio. That's actually another cool one with a great synth and a ray casting, terrain renderer with a nice palette and dithering. Cosine, thanks for the resub. And that's the end of the... Now it will probably restart. Cool one, I like that one as well. Oh, I'm just reviewing the Tiny Tape Out demo scene competition. I'm a judge on that. So we are reviewing them. They're all on ASIC. Like this is on ASIC with complete sequencer, and it's only, I don't know how many tiles, but it's really cool. It's small. That could run on an arcade because arcades are in vertical mode. Okay, next one is, I guess, where's my control thingy? Here. 772. Okay, let's select that one. I guess that one needs a different frequency that was adjusted. Wait. Let me check that. 772. Needs firmware we don't have. Okay. That's unfortunate. Is it like a processor? Let me check project docs. How it works. The project has two parts. First, a module to generate a Mandelbrot. Second, a VGA driver which features the data from a frame buffer, which is emulated by the RP2040. Okay. For this mode pin, the mode pin has to be selected. Then the configuration should be shifted into the project. Finally, the render can be started and the data received via logic analyzer or the RP2040. For this RP2040 in the VGA mode has to be programmed with a special firmware to emulate the frame buffer.
The VGA mode has to be selected and the configuration should be shifted into the project. Finally, the render can be started after the rendering is finished. The Mandelbrot site. Okay, unfortunately, we don't have the firmware here, so we need to wait for that for another time. Contributor, please get us the file, because the other judges also checked out the projects already and nobody could have or was able to watch it yet. Wait, where's my configuration thing? Here, Commando. Okay, next one will be, that was Mandelbrot. Garrett, give us some instructions here. Next one, 774, let's go. Sprite! There is a Sprite logo. Jacob Mack, newcomer. Congratulations to your first design. Sprite bouncer with looping background options. Okay, there are options. Let's check out what we can configure here. I like that it has a little texture. Like, okay, how many tiles? 2 tiles. Yes, Sprite logo is the Sprite. Oh, yeah, now I got the joke. Oh, that's... Okay, the options, I don't see input, VGA control. No, wait. I don't know if there's... Can we control? No, doesn't do anything. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, so we can... Oh, yeah, we can change the basically if you change... Oh, yeah, that's psychedelic. Scroll back, forth, and whatnot. All right. Hey, Chris. All right. Oh, wait. Screen shifted. Here we go. Next one. That was Sprite Bouncer with looping background options. Square 1, 778. Okay, let's turn that off. And try the next one, 778. Oh yeah, we watched that one before. It has sound, apparently, but I can't hear it. Zachary. Can't hear. Let me check out if I missed. Configure how it works. Independent audio demo described separately below. While the demo scene dates, blah blah blah. Too much text. Racing the beam, okay. That's a lot. The audio demo is sonification of the logistic map. To give a quick overview, the following iteration. Okay. I/O. There is no input, but I can't hear anything. Is it coming? I mean, it's probably, if we watch, oh wait, here, we are probably somewhere here now. And then we will hear whatever this is, like a sound increasing, and then noise in the end. I still can't hear anything. All right. Oh, we have Sequential Shadows Deluxe 782. Is this an improved version? Let's test it out. Okay, deluxe version, second design. Someone went overboard with that one. What's different about this one? The deluxe version adds some tweaks such as shadow beneath the logo and credits. Alright. Let's turn around the screen. Sequential Shadows Deluxe. Oh, yeah, that looks cool. That reminds me of Panic by Future Crew. All right. The credits, I don't know when they are coming. Probably in the end. We don't need to wait for that. Like that one. That's really crisp. Because we have like 60 FPS here. The audio visualization is cool. Like that. Each one has own video output, but it's only like 8 bits a deck. Hey, cosine, we're testing. Wait. Oh, did I respond to that already? Yes. Testing tiny tape out for anyone who joined. Oh, here we go. GFX girly. And then music curly. Okay, we got this. You might need one of those. Yeah, you need to participate in Tiny Tape Out. They got a little bit more expensive than before, but the demo scene competition, you got a tile sponsored. So you got a free tile if you contributed with the demo scene competition in that one. Alright. 832. 832, let's select it. Here we go. Next one. Oh, whoa, wireframe cube. Whoa. Nice. 3D graphics, and it's getting faster. It warmed up. Leo, nice one. This is like edge filtered. I'm wondering how this is calculated, like the lines. Let me check out the design details. Oh, we get like two cubes on top of each other in a like added shading. Or was it dithering? Ooh, nice. Oh, that looks cool. All right. Phew, I would love the possibility of being able to implement advanced peripherals and share them across different modules in tiny tapeout. That might be possible. You need to check out the details. I'm not updated on that. So I/O input, toggle background, toggle speed. Okay, there's few inputs to change that, and this is also two-tile design. Okay, it's starting from the beginning. I like that it has a little bit more going on. Okay, another one coming. Here we go. Is this one that needs attention? Let me check. Yes. Okay. I need to paste something in the REPL. REPL. Right. Oh, here we go. Fixed clock. Mandelbrot zoom. Nice. Hey Ricky. I like the color palette and how many bits is this zoom? Let me calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's more, probably like 16 iterations. 16 iterations of Mandelbrot. Nice colors and nice demo for VGA. Cool. Alright, that was VGA Mandelbrot. Let me check out the details if I missed anything. The design is clocked at 100 megahertz. Alright. Allowing 4 clock cycles per 25 megahertz pixel clock. This means the value computed every 7 pixel, giving a result like this. Alright. So 16-bit fixed point arithmetics. Multiplications are approximated to save area, giving a possible error in the least significant bit. This gives at least 14-bit accuracy on each iteration. That's cool. The output image is 720 by 480 and 103 by 480 Mandelbrot pixels. Alright. Value, enable demo mode, that's 0. Okay. So you have like some control of the Mandelbrot calculation. It's also 2 tiles. Nice one. The details, like I didn't think of that you really need like floating point for that. I just forgot. I mean, Mandelbrot, you have like everything is between 0 and 1, more or less. Or no, -1 and 1. Like all the values. Okay, next one. 6, 4, 6. Here we go. We have sound, my friends. We have sound. Rounding error is the name of this demo. Oh, we have like this error here again. I guess this might be. I hope it's not an issue with the cable. Ah! Oh, I lost the sync. No, it's not the cable, but we saw this error before. Rounding error. It doesn't look right though. It's not like on the screenshot. Hey, spicy chicken creamy pasta. Oh, this started as an attempt to implement a ray tracer into TT tiles. However, there isn't enough room for proper one. Precision has to be limited, which. But I don't. This is somewhat. I think there is like a bug here that's not running on the right frequency. It's strange. It skips pixels. 25, let me check if it's running at the right frequency. 25, no, this is not right VGA frequency. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I don't know. It should be cleaner than that if I see the, yeah. Okay, 911, next design. Edwin, yeah, sorry about that. This is what I got. We'll try on the other screen later. Oh, I don't know if you can see the noise here. It's quite dark. When I increase the brightness. No, it's a separate deck. We have like 2 P mods here. You can see there is another P mod that uses the bidirectional, the input outputs for generating sound. That looks cool. I like this flashy, shiny effect here, and we have like a random noise. Let me see the details. Compressed VGA logo. Alright. And it's 1 tile. Nice. That's a small design. High resolution. I like that. 965. Let's go. ASIC design is my passion. Alright. It's very smooth. Was this a last minute entry? It looks cool though. 1 tile, yes. So it was basically Nicolas Juncker. Alright, 973 is the next one. Oh, parallax scroller. This is how you do it. The backplane moves slower. This stripe is wrong here. Says I don't know what's going on here. I don't know if it might be the screen, But we saw, maybe timing might be off a little. Yeah, that looks like Gorilla's bus. Tetris Towers, yeah. A cool synth would be nice for that one. Okay, let's go on. Let me do a new recording. And 975, that's the last entry, and then we will try. Oh, that's a full character ROM. Is this the first Matrix scroller on ASIC? I like that one. It's very crisp. The symbols are very crisp. Nice. Can we increase the... let me check if we can increase the scroll speed. I'm wondering if there is like a complete ROM for the RAM for the characters. How does it know, like... I mean, it scrolls through maybe a ROM that's repeating somewhere. Or pseudo random. Hey Ricky. Okay, here we go. How it works. Standalone demo. It accepts 2 pins for palette. Okay, we can do maybe... Oh yeah, different colors. That's it. That's cool. So we got some options here. And it fits also on one tile. That's amazing to fit like... I mean, I don't know how many characters are in this character ROM, but it's cool. Nice, small, crisp screensaver. Alright, peeps, let's set up the big screen, the actual CRT, and run again. Oh, this is heavy. I know why this is the only CRT screen, that VGA screen that I kept. Okay. Okay, that was TFTs. Alright. Nice CRT goodness. Oh, did you hear the DGOS sound? Multi-sync. This is annoying. Let's put it something else here. Okay. Oh, CRT looks even better. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks great. That looks great, peeps. That looks amazing with the... The CRT is crisp AF. What does that mean, multi-sync? What does multi-sync mean? Is it any good? Does it store like an analog signal and increase the frequency? No. Delay line? No. Oh, the duck's guts. Oh, that's, I didn't know. I got this from the side of the road. Peeps, I got this from the side of the road. So better than the Sony Trinitrons. Let me fix that. I want. Yeah, that. I mean, that are particle accelerators, or somehow nothing is better than Sony Trinitron. Unfortunately, I got rid of mine. I don't have VGA monitors anymore. Only like the TV. Okay, so I can increase the brightness now. Wait, this is 60 frames per second. I think we need to keep 50 shutter. That's a little bit too bright. Now change the focus, crispy focus for some nice blurry effects. Here we go. This is crisp. This is crisp. I thought the TFT would look better, but now I see that's amazing. Okay, let's run it again. Let's run it again. I will also record here. All right. Demo scene competition, first entry, why not? 133. Let me change to 139. Here we go. It runs Doom. Tiny Tape Out 8 runs Doom. Okay, now next one. 227. Oh wow, the Ray Marched donut is amazing. Andy, this is crazy what you did there. This is crazy. It looks so simple, and you got shading as well. This is crazy. This is like 3D graphics card on Tiny Tape Out. A Ray Marcher. Nice. Okay, next one. Competition for Nvidia, yes. 267 people. Let's go. Next one. Oh yeah, that was TT8 VGA fun. I think mixed design and sequencing. Okay, what do we need to change there? I think we need to change some inputs here. Let me interact with the inputs, and what was it? That demo mode, something like that. Reset. No, yeah, that was the demo mode. Here we go. Oh, that's a mixed design. Oh, okay. That requires a special hardware. PMOD VGA for 24 bits. Digiland. Yeah, I see that. Okay, peeps. This is you can see, yeah, red CS DAC, green, blue segmented DAC, 2-bit decoders. So that's actually mixed design. That's cool. Yes, that's cool. All right, metaballs. We didn't have much of luck before with the metaball thing because they were too fast. Let's try again. Here we go, metaballs. It's fast. It's fast. Let me check if there is more inputs on that, but I don't think there is. Is there input? No, no inputs. One tile design. Here we go. Woo! Pew pew pew. Yeah. All right, next one. 2, 3, 2, 4. Here we go. Get ready, peeps. Audio synth and crisp plasma. Oh, it's also a design that fits in one tile. We need to acknowledge that. Konrad Beckmann and Linus Martinsson. Okay, 3 to 6. Here we go. Oh yes, so long, so long, space cowboy. Or do you say, so long, space cowboy? It's just a fixed image with a blinking cursor. Here we go. Sky King demo. I don't know if is there any inputs? No, I don't see. How to test? Oh wait. Input. External hardware requires a tiny VGA PMOD on out. What the XY? They must require either a 1 PMOD driver on or 2 PMOD driver on whatever. Demo does not include audio. VGA. Okay. Type some text of an image of a plane flying into the sunset. All right. Next one is color blindness. That didn't work before. Let's see if that works now. Oh, the screen turned off. Uh-oh. $25 megahertz. Let me change that. It seems like the setting. Oh, the default setting was wrong for that one. Okay. That's the one. We missed it before. The default setting here, I had to change to clock speed, like mentioned on in the design. Yeah. 3D view. Oops, that's my face. Here we go. Okay, that one, we didn't see that one before. Yeah, I'm colorblind, so I can't see anything there. It's a 12. For me, it's a 12. What do you see? What do you see there? Now, the next one, we had some issues with black bar, I think. Here we go. Oh, I have some flicker here. Let me change. Shutters. Lion cat. Yeah, sorry about that moving. That's when you film CRTs. Okay, next one. That's quite loud. 484. The synth on this one is so amazing. Hey Basil, we are watching Tiny Tape Out demos. Ah, I got goosebumps. Here, goosebumps on that one. Star scroller, text scroller. That's like an old school Amiga intro, like Hectro or whatever. That's cool. I think this is a two-tile design. That was also Andy's design. Andy is amazing. It's crazy. Yeah, that's other people's competitions. I'm only judge this time. And Andy rocked the competition, I can tell you so far. But there are like really good entries here. It will be a hard decision from my side. And thankfully we have some more competent judges there to get the winners. Okay, that's really cool. Yeah, the analog VGA, I need to do a deeper dive on that one. Vectrex CRT. Yes, Bright already reviewed the entries. He's another judge. Alright, next one will be 582. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's the counter with going into the sunset. We can interact by giving it like an input. It's just high resolution scrolling, or I don't know, Lotus. Driving into the sunset. 587. Oh, that's loud. Oh, demo sign. Saga Dev Achar. We have some coda music here, people. Nice colorful palette. 5, 8, 9. Let's go, next one. Ready? Okay. Hack, hack, eat, sleep, hack, repeat, sleep. Hack, repeat, eat, sleep, hack, repeat, eat, sleep, hack, repeat. There is a rave! Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. I like that one. Entertainment factor is quite high on this one. And the synth is nice. Cool. Byte X64, nice one. That hurts your brain, what? 591. Let's go, next one. Oh yeah, that's the sequencer. With Christian Fibbage. Cool. I like it, it has everything. Only text is missing. Text scrollers, plasma, metaballs, fractals. Ah, that's cool. Nice one. Next one. This is a good one. Andy. Andy needs. What crisp sound! Whoa! So great! Full feature 9 cat. Look at that, it's going back and forth. Yeah, it's so smooth. Here come the glasses. Oh, you see some moire effects. That's only from the screen sharpness. Very crisp. DLC. Glasses DLC. That's good. Now the glasses come off again. That's cool. That's a really good one. Okay, peeps, but here we go. This is a nice polished one. That's good. I like that it's very polished. Yeah, it's Kohler music. What do you expect? It has like... it has transitions. Did you notice that? It doesn't sound like that on video. Maybe it's overdriven. Yeah, the bass is too strong. Dziękujemy za zakupy. Botland, yeah, Polish. Here we go. The bass is too strong on this one. Danke für den Einkauf. I like that it's like so polished with transitions and many combined effects. It's a nice demo. Okay, now another good one is coming, peeps. Get ready. Maybe I should stop the recording for a second so we get. Alright. You're recording. Here is the next one. We have some audio sync, which is slightly off, but nice font, yeah. I like the effect. It's like everything is put on one effect, like this reflection. Okay, we have two reflects, like, but the fractal is quite simple to do. It's just multiplication. Yes, I guess. Yeah. But that droplet effect with the palette is nice. Looks like reflection and maybe refraction. Cool. Also a nicely polished intro. Sea battle. Okay, we had problems with that one before. Next one, sea battle. You were not born in the 80s? Oh, clock should be 23 megahertz. What? Okay, the screen turned off. Yuri Panchul. It's not working. Preset. Let's try 25. Try. No. Wait, 25. Let's try VGA frequency. Okay, it turned on. Oh! Here we go. That's a game! Oh, the frequency setting is wrong on the sea battle. Okay, is it a game? Do I need to interact? Let me try. Yes! Oh, wait, where's... Yeah, I probably need game pmod. How do I shoot? Wait, let me check. Okay, that's interactive. Now, the frequency setting is wrong in the description. It says 23 megahertz, but it's not. It's like VGA frequency. Alright, it seems to be a game. Let me check the design. What does it say? Input key right, key left. Okay, yeah, so it's only like the pmod is only like the first 2 bits. Okay. Ah. Okay, let me try to get it. Well, how do I play it? How to test? The game uses two keys, left and right, to control a torpedo. Pressing any key starts the movement. Okay. Yes, I hit it. No. Okay, I hit it once. Alright, so this was actually a demo. Oh no. Okay. Alright, next one. Actually, we made it work. That's cool. Sea battle. Capsule is next one. 704. Here we go, peeps. That's cool. The sound is... No, the sound is in sync, only not... looks like the capture isn't in sync. Alright, nice. We tried that before, now 710 is next one. Oh, that looks way better than on the other screen. Oh, we have really high frequency going on here. Okay, that looks way better than on the TFT. I like the looks. It's very simple, clean. Okay, clean. I don't know what's going on here, but looks like transparency or something. It's strange. I think. Oh, that's double the frequency. Oh, 50.35 megahertz. So it does like two different values on one pixel. That's why we see what's happening here, like the transparency. I thought I saw something on the TFT, but the TFT only clocks at 25 megahertz. Okay, next one is 716. The TT logo, here we go. It bounces in a sec. Oh, right in the center, right in the corner, peeps, right in the corner. It starts with the corner. The anticipation should be higher. Don't give us all the goods, all the treats just in the beginning. All right, next one. Ooh, oh, here we go. Yeah, we had like a better input for that. Oh, this is cool. I like that. So we can flip a few bits. Ah, okay. Nope. Jiggly jiggly. That looks cool. Very jello. This looks so great on the CRT. That's amazing. Okay, 768. That's the next one. Nice number. Who 768 is the number of the size of the palette. Canon demo. All right, Mike did a few effects, combining them. We watched them before. Let's continue with sequential shadows. Should we watch sequential shadows deluxe because it's improved? Okay, we will watch sequential Mandelbrot. I think that one didn't work because we need extra stuff. Sprite Bouncer. Let's do Sprite Bouncer next. There was also some interaction. Wait, let me turn it on. What was the interaction here? I thought there was some interaction on the background. Ah yeah, here. Sprite Bouncer. And we have... Next one is that one. I don't hear the sound though. It has like this special calculation for sound. Seven, 8, 2. Okay, now let me stop the recording for a second. Royalty fees. Okay, peeps, I need to turn around the screen, put it on the side. We are going into arcade mode here. Peeps, we are in arcade mode here. For this one. Let's go. Nice synth. I like the vertical arcade mode here. This is also good to 24 bits. That one with some music for you. Yeah, I like the smooth synth. Although the entertainment was a little bit better on the rave one, the ravey one. We have like music wise, I need to check all the entries and I will probably rate them on different levels like entertainment, tech, and yeah, how polished it is. This is really cool. It has a few effects going on for it. The raycaster is cool. Like the terrain map. I mean, everyone in the 90s was coding one of those. I did too. Even basic, like quick basic, was like my first raycaster. We were all inspired by Future Crew. They showed one, and Fractint had like a raycaster mode for fractals. QBasic was gold. Yeah, I still have most of my code from QBasic. I only lost the code for I think one game completely that I wrote. Gorillas for the win, yeah. Alright. Nice one. Let's turn it around again. Oh, for the other ones. I like on this for this intro the original like arcade mode orientation. They could do like horizontal, so I'm happy that the screen. Lunar Lander. It was terrible. Yeah, every QBasic, quick basic code was terrible. I had a ray tracer in QBasic, and I needed to let it run all night long to calculate one image. And I was scared that my mom finds out that I let the computer run all night for that. 12 hours of calculation for a really crappy image, but I still have the image from back then. I think I showed it already on the stream at some point. All right, 832 select. All right. Not sure that's a clock frequency. Yeah, that's the cube. Okay. Leo Moser or Moser. I need to check out this one if it actually does how it's rendering the lines. I'm interested in the tech behind this. Let's wait until the colorful one. There is a one with background. Then we will go on to the Mandelbrot. Oh, 2 cubes combined. No tags. Why this doesn't have any tags? Oh, here we go. That looks cool. If you imagine like having some sit tunes to that will be already a really cool entry. Look at that, multiple cubes at the same time. All right, next one. Oh yeah, that's the 100 megahertz thing. Here we go, set. Does that work? Clock speed? Or do we need to use REPL here? I think that was the REPL one. Shader generator, TT06. I messed that one up here. Wait. Shit. I shouldn't have changed it. Damn it. Wait, let me reload it. Connect to the board again. Your back doesn't forget that one. Alright, what was it again? 844 Mandelbrot. No. I changed the settings somehow. What do I run it for? After select paste in the REPL. False. I don't know which setting it was. 25. don't see an output here. Shit, we saw it before. It was the Mandelbrot zoom. I'm sorry, I can't show it again on CRT. I would really love to. It has a little bit of issues running it. Says 100 megahertz, but I select that. Me reset it. Attribute non-type object has no attribute frequency. Oh. Oh, okay. Repo. No. Okay, I can't get this running again. It somehow stored my last settings. Let's do this one. With broken sound, that was rounding error. Oh, okay, it looks like we got more out of it, but still it doesn't look like USB-C to VGA converter. No, cute stallion. We are testing Tiny Tape Out 6 today. Is it 6 or 8? 8. 6 was the shader. Tiny Tape Out 8 demo scene competition. That looks a little bit off and the sound is broken. Let me try a different setting for that. 25 megahertz. Let me try 50 megahertz. It won't work. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it looks like a rounding error. 50 megahertz also runs. I don't know, it's strange. Okay. 911. 911. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, it's so dark. It's very dark. One common error on demo scene entries that it's too dark. But I don't see that the bright green here. It's weird. Okay, that was the logo. 965. It's a compressed logo with some shading effect. Here we go. ASIC design is my passion. Let me do a pause on the recording. Yeah, we'll have a full SD card, like 100 gigabytes of recording. 973. I think, yeah. Yes, it's Tiny Tape Out 8. Hey Maya. Yes, here we go, Gorilla Bass. High-pitched noise. It couldn't hear it, so I didn't care. Here we go. And 975 is the last one. That's cool. Okay, is there... I think... we have nice ones from Andy, and I also like Byte X64, very entertaining, and some really polished ones. It's really cool. All right, and we close this one with 5, 8, 9. Love that one. Very basic graphics. Music is very cool, and the style, the idea is cool. All right, peeps. I enjoyed it very much. I think that's enough for today. Do you want to see anything else? Great demos. I will check out the details, do my rating, and see what the results will be. No music there though. Okay, 7. Let me check. 718. Oh yes, yes, that's crisp. Waggling rainbow on a chip. The colors are amazing, and if you pick the right input, it's like bitluni's fun with flags. Let's check out 718 per request. Any other requests, peeps? Here I show you the interact. We can select. I think was something like. Oh, this is very fast. Look at that. Look at that. This is so. This is like Jello. All right. I totally understand. This is like, it's so crisp in real life. You see the moire effects, but there are no moire effects. It's so clean and crisp. Love it. I'm wondering what happens if you put in like double the frequency. Let me check out if we do 50 megahertz, what happens then? If it syncs up. Ooh! It actually does the job. Do we have like now 120 hertz display? That's crazy. Okay. The camera can't display that or capture that. All right, and of course warp is nice. 648, 648. 648. Then we have Nyan Cat 646 is the polished one, and of course 484 is. That was warp. That's a nicely polished one. And we have this. This was sit tune music. Very enjoyable. Flame demo is also cool. And VGA Donut, of course. Okay, peeps, thank you for tuning in. It was only like not very interactive today. We were just reviewing Tiny Tape Out. Is there anything else on Tiny Tape Out that we could check out? Do we have like Tiny Tape Out 8. Maybe there is something that's not in the demo scene. Oh wait, what? Check out. Sequence, I know. VGA drop, okay, what's the 650? Chipron. Ring oscillators. They're quite interesting things. Meta, okay, logic. I can't look for music or sound. That's unfortunate. It's like glyph mode. Okay. I think most of the things we saw, and I see you next week with some more active design things. I have some updates on the Mega Ultra cluster. So, looking forward to that. Bye bye everyone, have a good night.